Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and will be studying at your places. Today I am just going to tell you the exercise 14D, but before that I would like to tell you the some basic things of the multiplication and the division of the fraction. Okay, suppose two fractions are there, 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. Okay, these two fractions are there which we have to multiply together. So what we will do in case of multiplication between two fractions, we always multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. Okay, means in this fraction this is numerator and here this is numerator, this is denominator and here this is denominator. So when we multiply numerator into numerator, 3 4s are 12 and 5 7s are denominator into denominator 35. So this is the answer. Got it? One more example I am showing you. 2 upon 5 multiplied by 6 upon 7. Okay, we have to multiply these two fractions. So as I told you that we will multiply numerator by numerator, so it will be 12 and denominator into denominator we will get the 35. Got? So we will multiply the fraction like this. Now I am just going to talk about the division. Means when we have to divide the two fractions, suppose 3 by 5 and 15 by 6, we have to divide this fraction. This is the first fraction, this is the second fraction. It is just like 8 divisible by 2. Got it? Means we have to divide 8. It means this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Here this is the dividend and this is divisor. So when we divide a fraction by the another fraction, so in that case the first fraction remains as it is and the second fraction we will do the reciprocal of this, means 16 upon 15. The numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. This is called a reciprocal, and this sign, this is the division sign, will be changed into the multiplication. Got? So now we will multiply it. 3 6 are 18 and 15 5 are 75. Okay, if this is the divisible, so we can divide it. These both are divisible by the 3 6 are and 3 2 are and 3 5 are 15. Okay, so 6 upon 25 will be the answer. 6 upon 25 will be the answer of this. Got it? And one more thing I would like to tell you. Suppose after reciprocal you have got the 3 by 5 multiplied by 6 by 15. You got this thing after reciprocal. So this can be solved by another method. Okay, in that method we always divide numerator by the denominator and denominator by the numerator. Means you can divide any numerator by any denominator or any denominator by any numerator. Got it? Here you have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, and you have got 18 upon 75. Then you have cut 18 and 75 by their HCF and you have got the 6 upon 25. But in this method you need not to multiply. Got it? Just you have to divide the numerator by denominator, denominator by the numerator by the same number. So you can see here this number and this number both are divisible by the 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Got it? And what has left? 5 and 6. These are not divisible by the any number. So we have got the 1 into 6. We have got the 6, and as a denominator 5 into 5 we have got the 25. Again we have got the same thing. So this is the little bit easy and it will decrease your steps of the solution. Got it? So you can opt this method. It will be easy for you. Now one more example I am just taking you. 25 by 16 divided by 15 and 24. Got it? Here we are just dividing 25 by 16 by the 15 upon 24. So as I told you, 15 upon 16, this is the first fraction, will remain same, and the second fraction we will do the reciprocal of that second fraction. So numerator become the denominator become the numerator, and this sign will change into the multiplication. Now we will see which number are divisible, means we will see which numerator is divisible by the denominator and which denominator is divisible by the numerator. So you can see here this 15 and 25 both are divisible by the 5 3s are and 5 5s are, and this 16 and 24 also are divisible by the 4 4s are, okay, and 4 6s are. Got it? This 6 and 4 is also is divisible by the 2, so you may cut it also. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are, okay. So you have got the 3 into 5 15 upon 2 into 3 6. So you have got the 15 upon 6 is the answer. Or if you want to change it into the mixed section, so you can change it 2 whole 3 by 6. 6 to the 12 and 3 15. Got it? So these are the method of the multiplication and division of the fraction. Now I am just going to start the exercise 14D. Got it? The first question is saying simplify. Here has given us 3 upon 7 into 2 upon 5. So what we have to do, as I told you, we have to do the multiplication, numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So that will be the 14 and this 35. Okay, now the next second part. This is the first part of this. Now I am telling you the second part of this. Okay, we are taking the third part. 5 upon 12 into 8. Okay, here you can see that 5 and 12, 5 by 12, this is the fraction, but this is not a fraction. So in this case we will make the 8 as a fraction by writing the 1 as a denominator. Okay, 8 के नीचे हम 1 लगा के, 8 is the whole number, it is not a fraction, this is the fraction. So we will just convert this whole number into the fraction by writing the 1 as a denominator. Now again you can see here 5 and 1 and 8 and 4, and you can see 8 and 4 both are divisible by the 4. So 4 3s are and 4 2s are. So what we have got, 5 2s are 10 and 3 1s are 3, and you can just change it into the mixed section. 3 3s are 9 and 1, 3 whole 1 by 3. Got it? Now after that I am taking the question number 5th of 1. Okay, so this is the question is 3 whole 3 by 8 multiplied by 3 whole 6 by 7. So whenever you got the mixed fraction, so you will just convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So 8 3s are 24, 24 and 3 27 upon 8 multiply by 7 3s are 21, 21 and 6 27 upon 7. Got it? Now you can see 27 upon 8 and 27 upon 7. Okay, and no number is divisible by the any other number, so you will just multiply, you will get the 729 upon 56. Okay, now when you will just change into the mixed section, so you will get the 56 and 56 ones are and 3 and 1. Okay, you will get the 13 whole 1 by 56. Got this? So by this way you will do this question. After that I am just going to tell the one more question 2. The first question I am telling you that 2 by 3 divided by 1 whole 1 by 5. 2 by 3, first of all we will change it into the improper fraction. 5 1 the 5 1 6 upon 5 Okay, and the sign will remain same still. Now 2 by 3, and this sign will change into the multiplication, and we will just do the reciprocal of 6 by 5, and it will become the 5 by 6. Got it? So numerator into numerator, first of all we will multiply it, we will get the 10, and 3 into 6 we will get the 18. Okay, and these both numbers are divisible by the 2 5s are 10 and 2 9s are, so we will get the 5 by 9. Got it? And you can cut and you can divide the number in this step also. How? 2 by 3 and 5 by 6 are there, so you will cut it like this. 2 3s are 6. What is left? Only 5 as a numerator and 3 is a 9. Then still you will get the same answer. Got it? Now after that, third question I am just going to tell. That is the 1 divisible by 2 by 5. As you can see here, the 1 is the whole number and this is the fraction, so we will just convert the 1 into the fraction by writing the 1, okay, as a denominator, and 2 by 5. Now both are the fraction. So in case of the division of the fraction, what we will do? The first fraction will remain same, and we will just do the reciprocal of the second fraction, and sign will change into the multiplication. Now 5 1s are 5, and 2 1s are 2, and you can change it into the mixed fraction, so you will get the 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 2 whole 1 by 2. Got it? Now after that, the sixth question I will tell you. The sixth question of this. Sixth question is saying 2 whole 2 by 3 multiply by 3 whole 1 by 2 divide by 2 whole 4 by 9. Okay, so in first step we will just change all the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So 3 2s are 6 to 8 by 3, and 2 3s are 6 1 7 by 2, and sign of division, and 9 2s are 18, and 18 4 22 by 9. Okay, and you can see here this is the multiplication and division sign, both the sign are there, and in case of these two sign we will solve the division first of all according to BODMAS, and division sign is given between these two fraction. So 8 by 3 will remain same, multiply by 7 by 2. As I told you, the second fraction, we will do the reciprocal of the second fraction, and the sign will change into the multiplication, so it will be the 9 by 22. Okay, now we will divide 2 4s are, okay, and 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are, and 3 3s are 9. So we have got the 7 2s are 14, and 14 3s are 42, and as a denominator 11 is there. So what we will get? 11 we have to divide the 42 by the 11, so 11 3s are 33, and what we will add in 33 to get the 42, that is the 9. So we will get the 3 whole 9 by 11. Okay, after that I am just telling you the question number 3. The first question I am just telling you of the question number 3. 1 by 4 of 2 whole 2 by 7 divided by 3 by 5. Okay, so 1 by 4 will remain same, 1 by 4 will remain same, and the of will change into the multiplication. We will change 2 whole 2 by 7 into the improper fraction, so it will be the 16 upon 7 and divided by 3 by 5. Again the same question is there. Okay, so first of all we will solve this because the division sign is there. Okay, and when the multiplication division sign both are there, so we always solve the division first of all, and division sign is given between these two fraction. Okay, so exactly same question are there. We will do the reciprocal, so both the sign will be the multiplication, and then we will cut and we will find the answer. Now after that, I'm just going to tell the second question, that is the 1 whole 1 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 2 divided by 1 whole 1 by 3. Okay, this is the sign of division, so we will change it into the improper fraction. So 4 1 the 4 1 5 upon 4, 1 by 2 will remain same, and this is the sign of division, and 3 1 the 3 1 4 by 3. Same question is there again. Okay, so you will do this question like above two questions. Okay, that is the 15. Okay, 5 3 the 15, and that is 32. Okay, so we have got the 15 upon 32, that is the answer. Now after that, I am just going to tell the question number 8. Okay, of 3. 1 by 3 of 60 divided by 60. Okay, 60 divided by 60. So 1 by 3 will remain same. Of means multiplication as 60 divided by 60. It can be written like this: 60 ones are 60. Okay, and 1 into 1 1, and upon 3. This is the answer. Got? Now after that, I am just going to tell the question number 4. Question number 4. The first of the fourth. 5 minus 8 by 11 minus 3 whole 3 by 11. Okay, this is the question. As I told you that according to BODMAS, we always solve the bracket first of all. So bracket is there, so we will solve the bracket first of all, and rest of the thing will remain same. Okay, so 5 minus 8 upon 11 minus, we will change it into the improper fraction. So 11 3 the 33, and 3 36 upon 11. Now 5 minus, there is the subtraction of the fraction, so LCM of the 11 11 will remain same 11, and 11 1 the 11, and 1 8 the 8, minus 11 1 the 11, and 1 into 36 36. Okay, so 5 minus, when you will just subtract, you will get the 28 upon 11. Got it? Now when you will just open the bracket, so this minus will be multiplied by the this minus. Okay, bracket means multiplication. Whenever you will just open the bracket, so you, if the sign are there, so you have to multiply the given sign. So 5 minus into minus, as I told you in the number system, that will be plus 28 upon 11. Okay, this is fraction, this is not fraction, we will make it the fraction. Now the LCM of the 1 and 11, LCM of 1 and 11 11, and 1 11 is 11, 11 5 is 55, plus 11 1 is 11, and 1 into 28 28. Now we will get the 5 8 13, and 1, that is the 83 upon 11. Okay, so we will change it into the mixed fraction, so we will get the 7 whole 11 7 is 77, and 6 83. Got it? So this is the answer of this. We always solve the bracket if the bracket is there. Now the second question, I am just telling you, 1 upon 2 divided by 7 by 8 minus 3 by 5. Okay, so 1 by 2 will remain same, sign of division, and we have to solve the bracket first of all. Got it? So the LCM of 8 and 5 what will be the LCM of 8 and 5? That will be the 40. Okay, and 8 5s are 40 and 5 7s are 35 minus 5 8s are and 8 3s are 24. So 1.2 divided by, when you will subtract, you will get the 1 and 1 upon 40, and means 11 upon 40. And you can see here, this is the sign of division. So in this case, what you will do? Reciprocal of the second fraction, reciprocal of the second fraction. So 1 upon 2, and sign will change into the multiplication. 2 20s are, you will get the 20 into 1, 20 upon 11, and change into the mixed fraction. 11 ones are 11 and 9, means one whole 9 by 11 is the answer. Got it? After that, I am just going to tell the next question. 6th question is 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 2. Okay, this question you will do the on your own. 3 by 4 divided by the 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 2. Okay, first of all you will solve the bracket, and then after again you will get the division sign, then you will do the reciprocal of the solution of this bracket. Okay, here also you will do the reciprocal of 1 by 2. Got? Now the 5th question I am just going to tell. The first part of 5th. The question is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. So as you know, according to BODMAS, we always solve the bracket first of all. So the LCM of 2 and 3 will be the 6. 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3, plus and 3 2s are and 2 1s are 2. Okay, this is the sign of division. And what will be the LCM of the 4 and 6? That will be the 12. 4 3s are and 3 1s are 3, minus and 6 2s are and 2 1s are 2. So 5 by 6 divided by 1 by 12. So 5 by 6 reciprocal of this, and sign will change into the multiplication. We will get the 12 by 1. 2 6 2s are 12. Now 5 into 2, we will get the 10 upon 1, means 10 is the answer. Okay. Now after that, the second question is 24 by 35 divided by, this is the sign of division, 6 by 7 plus 5 by 9. Okay, multiply by, this is the sign of multiplication after the bracket, 3 by 4. Okay, so how do you solve this? First of all, you will solve the bracket. Okay, and in bracket, two type of sign are there, division and addition. So you will solve the division first of all. 24 by 35 will remain same. Okay, and division sign is given between these two fraction. Okay, so you will just do the reciprocal, and sign will change into the multiplication. 7 by 6, it will be the 7 by 6 after the reciprocal, and 5 by 9 will remain same, into 3 by 4. Now addition and multiplication, two sign are there, and according to BODMAS, you will do the multiplication first of all, BODMAS, because multiplication come before the addition. So they are divisible. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Okay, and 6 4s are 24. So you have got the 4 upon 5 plus, after solving this two fractions, you have got the 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 9 into 3 by 4. Now you will take the LCM of the 5 and 9. It will be the 45. Okay, 5 9s are 45, 9 4s are 36, plus 9 5s are 45, 5 5s are 25, multiply by 3 by 4. Okay, after that what you will do, you will add the question 36 45 36, we have got the 36 25 upon 45 and multiply by 3 by 4. So you will solve this, you will add it, so we will get the 5 6 1 and 61 upon 45 multiply by 3 upon 4. Got it? Now you can see here 3 1s are 3 and 3 15s are 45 and no number is divisible by, so you will get the 61 upon 60 and you can convert it into the mixed section, so you will get the 61 is 60 and 1 whole 1 by 60. Got it? So this is the answer of this question. Now after that I am just going to tell one more question. Okay, that is the 6th question of this. 4 whole 5 by 7 in bracket 3 whole 1 by 8. Again I am writing 4 whole 5 by 7 and in bracket 3 whole 1 by 8 divided by 11 upon 12. We have to solve this. So first of all we will change all the mixed fraction into the improper fractions. 7 4s are 28 and 5 33 upon 7 and 8 3s are 24 and 1 25 upon 8 divided by 11 upon 12. Now 33 upon 7 and in division, in the bracket division sign is there, so 25 upon 8 will remain same and we will do the reciprocal of 11 upon 12. Okay, now these are divisible by 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are, so you have got the 33 upon 7 multiply by, when you will open the bracket you will just put the sign of the multiplication. 25 into 3, that is the 75 and 22, 11 to the 22, 11 3s are 33, 11 2s are 22. Okay, 11 3s are 22 because 33 and 22 both are divisible by the 11, 11 2s are 11 3s are. Now no number is divisible by any other number, so you have got the 75 into 3, 3 5s are 15 and 1 and 3 7s are 21 and 1 22 and that is the 40. Got it? Now you will change this into the mixed fraction after dividing. I hope you will do it by dividing. You will just divide the 225 by 14 and you will get the answer in the mixed fraction. Okay, so these are the questions which I told you in the exercise and I will share you some marked question in this exercise. Till then you just keep studying and keep practicing of this all questions. Thank you.